looking at Venus. Brick roads. Venus sun. So what birds do you hear? That's a car, not a bird. Jeez. And now I'm recording here. Wow, look how pretty that Venus is. So bright. Sun's hitting it just perfect. Sunrise and dusk, my favorite time of the day. Sure, but we might have some birds. Sure, maybe. Maybe not. There's just the one, I think. Right there at the edge. I believe. And then it could be my glasses. Nope, that was a bird. It's back. Let's see if I can zoom in. Birdie, birdie, birdie. I don't know if that's a purple martin, but that's what lives in there. Okay, birdie. Well, that was nice. As you can see, I think Venus is gone. Nope. There she is. Behind the pine tree. You should go out and look at her every morning. Right now. Later in the summer, she'll be there at sunset. Anyway. It's a beautiful sky this morning.